Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can center text across multiple cells without merging, because merging cells give us an error. For example, I merge and center this text, merge center for this one, merge and center for this one, merge and center. If I want to select this row, you see it gives me some error. I can't. For example, I select this, I select this. You see directly all the table is selected while I want to only select this column. Okay, to fix this, Ctrl Z. Okay, now just select these cells, right click, format cells, click alignment, text alignment, horizontal, center across selection. Okay, you see now it's centered while no merging cells. Select this one, copy the format, come to here. Again, copy the format, come to here. Now if I want to select it, this cell, this column, only you can select this column and, for example, auto sum, or for this column. This method is very helpful to do your calculation in Excel. If you get benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.